Hello everybody. Alright, this is a video made for me by a friend. Where I guess it's just what he considers funny UK things that I would probably be surprised by to see what I think about. So, I'm always up for learning, so let's find out what's on this. That's the Chinese flag, right? Kidding. Our mortal enemies. Once the food... Wait, what? Once the food is give it to you... Okay. If a seagull take it from you, will be no refunds. The seagulls don't work for us. Sorry for... Alright. Gotcha.
Wait,
oh, that scared the bejesus out of me. I thought it was a commercial. I'm like, how is this a commercial? A video made for me. Okay. All right, I got it. Dude, that's hilarious. Dude, they are big. Your guys' seagulls are massive, dude. Psh, that's hilarious. All right.
Wait, do you want to get some chips? Let's get out of here. Let's go to the beach. Can we get a picture? Yeah?
No, but like the thing is, how can you spend like 8 hours on
Chips gone.
Like,
Yep. Dude, you guys don't even have sand. Those are rocks. Those are pebbles. Is that the beach? That's crap. I'm sorry. My pet duck showing up. Oh, it's cute. I read out loud because I don't know why. Just in case. If any of you can't see nothing. I don't know. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Okay. That's not a duck. it Okay, all right. I like the little pitter-patter, though.
Here we go. He's poised. Ready, steady.
How do they even know?
Ready, steady.
That's
Eyes
funny.
On the prize.
That's funny, dude.
Here we go. Pounce. Yes! Boom! Had him!
The little pizzy!
Jackpot!
I love that they
Jackpot,
can
get him!
anticipate that.
Yes! I did.
Amazing.
Absolutely spewing this guy is now.
Everybody's
Anyway.
laughing. That's great.
you know.
What does he have? An ice cream? Damn, dude. I didn't know they were this savage. Oh my god. Just don't take food to the beach, I guess. That's actual beach. That's sand. Good. Good for you guys. Because the pebbles before were just trash. Dude, just give it up. You're not going to enjoy it. I mean, they won't let you. Just surrender, dude. Exactly. There you go. Dude, this, exactly. That's my... Is he on the phone? That was great, dude. Oh my god. Who's the cat in this situation? Was it supposed to be Car? I was looking for a cat. Damn, man. She got 3. 1 for her, 1 for someone else, and 1 for the seagulls. Dude, that's crazy.
Oh my god, go in Tesco, I beg. Go on, lad. Go on. I know you want to. Go on, please. Please. This is the best thing I've ever caught on video. Oh my god. There's a seagull in Tesco. Go on, lad.
I like that he's hyping him up.
Oh, he's...
The little pizza!
No way! Oh my god!
Damn, they're menaces, aren't they? Hair balding. Jeez. Dude, they're big. I remember in the Bob Mortimer, the Wilty clip, everyone was saying, they aren't that big. Dude, they're freaking, that one's huge. Jesus. Like, I wouldn't try to take that sandwich away from him. He can have it. I like that he even knew that was a sandwich, even though it's like all packed up. That's not his first rodeo. What are you gonna do, dude? Their feet are great. What is that? What is she eating? The hell is that? She got it all over herself. The music. Had the audacity to like eat it right next to the people. Wow. 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 Damn. All right.
This guy is a dead man walking.
Hey, Connor.
I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody.
Little Gary on his way to rob a seaside shop.
Everybody on the ground.
Oh my God.
About this and your brown bread.
Oh. Why did I show up? In Joker makeup. I wasn't expecting. Was that supposed to be a jump scare or something? Okay. Oh, I'm dying. All right, that was freaking fun. I didn't know it was gonna be a whole seagull themed video, but that was awesome. I also didn't know they were that freaking daring and that large, and that crazy. Sounds like fun, but it sounds like I love. Okay, I see. I was gonna say that people would learn, but people totally do learn because people are already filming the morons that don't know, just because they know what's gonna happen. Awesome. Definitely awesome. Kind of makes me not want to go to the beach over there, but awesome. Not with food anyway. But damn, those things are birds of prey. large birds of prey. All right. So, thank you for that. Awesome. I actually really enjoyed it, Adam. So, very cool of you. The jump scare at the end got me too. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. This was fun. And I never thought there would be so much seagull content, so that's nice. I like animals and birds and all those things. So yeah, it was nice to mix just a little bit of all my interests into one kooky little video. Very nice. Anyway, guys, I am off to watch more stuff and things. Hope you guys have a fantabulous week, and I will be around. So yeah, see y'all very soon. Toodles.